Ready to unlock the future of finance? Let's get you started with Crypto.com in 2025. First, download the app from your App Store. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once downloaded, open the app and tap Sign Up. You'll need to enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure it's unique and difficult to guess. Next, verify your account. You will need to provide some personal information and upload a photo of your ID, like your driver's license or passport. This is a standard security measure to protect your account and comply with regulations. Once you've submitted your documents, it usually takes a few hours or a day for Crypto.com to verify your identity. Now, let's fund your account. You can use a credit or debit card for instant deposits, or you can use a bank transfer for larger amounts. You could also deposit crypto from another wallet. Simply select your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions. Time to buy your first crypto. Tap the buy button. You'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Select the one you want to purchase, enter the amount you want to spend, and confirm your order. One of the coolest features of Crypto.com is the Crypto.com Visa card. You can stake CRO, Crypto.com's native token, to unlock different card tiers with amazing rewards, like cashback and rebates. Check out the card section in the app for more details. Don't let your crypto sit idle. Explore the earn and stake features to earn interest on your holdings. Different cryptocurrencies offer varying interest rates and lockup periods. It's a great way to grow your portfolio passively. Security is key. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA to protect your account from unauthorized access. You can also whitelist withdrawal addresses to ensure your crypto is only sent to trusted locations. For more advanced users, the trade section offers powerful tools for technical analysis and order execution. You can set limit orders, stop-loss orders, and more. Crypto.com is constantly evolving, so keep an eye out for new features, tokens, and partnerships. Be sure to do your own research and stay informed about the latest developments in the crypto world. And remember to only invest what you can afford to lose. Now you're ready to embark on your crypto journey with Crypto.com.